go! So today I'm going to be doing my Cyber Monday haul. It's mostly stuff from Redbubble, but I did buy one package for Lush, so that's what I'm going to start with. Okay, how do I even open this? This is so hard. The Lush boxes are so cute. I've never ordered something from Lush online before. I'm trying to make sure I don't sleek my address. Look at the little things. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, and then have a bunch of little packing peanuts. Aw. Okay, so on Cyber Monday, I think like the day of, I got some comments about my gums and my teeth, and so I was feeling insecure. So from Lush I got teeth products. I have a tooth product from Lush that I bought a while ago, and when I use it I feel like my teeth look really white, but then one day when I was like using it I realized like, hey, I've had this for so long, so I checked the expiration date and it had been expired for like a year, so I decided to buy new ones, so that's why I haven't been using it. But like I kind of still want to use it because like when I use it I feel like my teeth look so much whiter. So this is similar to the thing I had before but not exactly the same. It's like toothy tabs. Okay, I have till January 2021. That gives me a while. Hopefully I'll use it all. This scent is, I don't know what the scent is. My other scent was like rose though. I don't like mint flavored stuff, so I think that's one of the reasons why I don't brush my teeth like well enough, is because I just hate the taste. That's why I like these, because they're like not badly tasted. And then I got this, which is a candy cane toothpaste jelly. I don't know, I feel like this might be sort of minty still, but hopefully it's not as bad as the toothpaste scent. And then you get like a free sample when you order anything, so I got a hair moisturizer. Let's make it rain. Woo! I still love the packaging. Like, look at that. And then look at like this. Like, they come in like such cute boxes. Now my room's a mess. Okay, so now we'll get into the Redbubble stuff. Here is the first Redbubble box. It is a poster I bought. I didn't realize it was this big, honestly. Or I don't know if I did. Maybe I did know it was this big. But, whoa! It's like a Vogue magazine cover that they like drew. And I thought it was super cute. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put this in my room, but I will put this somewhere. And then I think like all packages come with this, but it comes with like this little like Redbubble like sticker thing. So now for my next Redbubble thing. I have 4 stickers. This one is some lips basically, and this one is I See a Strong Woman. These ones are from the Vine. It's I Thought You Were American. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put these. Leave suggestions on where I'm gonna put all of these. I think this one I'm gonna put on my laptop case though, but I don't know what to do with the other ones. Next Redbubble thing. So I got this poster. I wish I would have got this one as the big one and the other one as like a smaller one, because I really like this one, but I should link the artist in the description box because all of her work was like super pretty and I wanted to buy everything. But this is a Chicago, I think it was, a Chicago skyline. Okay, if you're family, you have to click off right now because the rest of the things I got were gifts. Okay, so this first gift, this is so stupid. So at the time on Cyber Monday, I was like seeing this girl and then she broke up with me. But before, she was like, let's buy each other presents like on Cyber Monday, and then like the next day she was like, we're over. But then I had already bought this, so this is gonna be a really specific Christmas card to somehow find someone else for. Okay, so the next cards are really cute. Like, they turned out better than I expected. The cards for like my family for Christmas. So this one is for my mom because she likes to read and she's a librarian. This one is for my dad because he likes the Gators. And this one's for my brother because he plays saxophone. These are the little envelopes that you get to like put the cards in. So that was everything I bought for my Cyber Monday haul. I didn't buy that much, but I bought a few items. So I hope you liked it. Maybe next year I'll buy more. Okay, that's all I have to say. So like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back, and my goal of the year is at 30,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye!